Hi guys, this is the third instalment of an easy piano tutorial for Lewis Capaldi's Someone You Loved. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to assume you've watched the first two tutorials. I'm just going to play you the chorus that we just learned in the second tutorial, and then we're going to whack in the middle eight, okay, and then we've got all the things there. So this is what you will have just learned. You've just had and then what you're going to add in is so those notes, right? You're going to have A to the A above, and then the notes either side, which are G and B. And I tend to close. And then you're going to come down to an F sharp and an A. Two of those, and then F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D. I'll play that one more time. So then all you're going to do is add in a repeat again, A, G and a B. Four of those. Three F sharps and A's. Three F sharps. Three E's. Right, so if I just give you that whole thing. And then you're back to like another chorus. And I tend to close my eyes when it hurts. Sometimes I fall into your arms. I'll be safe in your sound till I come back around. All we want to have is an E and a B, four of those. And then four B and F sharp. And then four A and E's. Actually 6 A and E's, sorry, I can't count. 2 B and F sharps. I'll give you that one more time. So you've got E and B times 4. B and F sharp times 4. A and E times 6. B and F sharp times 2. And then you're back to an E and a B times 4. A B and an F sharp times 4. And A and an E that you just hold down. And you hold that down for 2 lots of 4 beats, okay? So you've got and the second time you play that A for 4 beats is when the last chorus begins again, okay? So if I give you that one more time, you've got and that's the and I tend to close my eyes. I'm going to play that one more time and then I'm going to add in the next chorus. So you've got and then you've got and now the day bleeds D, 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 F sharp, G, F sharp. and then the second time you play it, you drop to an E, then it repeats again. And you're not here. D, D, G, F sharp, E. D, 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 A, F sharp. D, 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 G, F sharp, E. D, 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 G, G, F sharp, E. A and an F sharp. 6 of them. And then it's back to what you've recognised from before. D and an F sharp. E, E, D, D, E, E, E. And then the chorus repeats, right? So I'm going to play you that one more time in the right hand. Drop to an E. But now the day bleeds. And then it's going to repeat again. Whilst that's happening, for now the day bleeds. When you hit that F sharp again, you're going to play a D and an A for 4 beats. Then you're going to move to an A and an E for 4 beats. B and an F sharp for 4 beats. G and a D for 4 beats. And that will repeat twice. So D and A, 2, 3, 4. A and E, 2, 3, 4. B and F sharp, 2, 3, 4. G and D, 2, 3. And repeat. D and A, 2, 3, 4. A and E, 2, 3, 4. B and F sharp, 2, 3, 4. G and D, 2, 3, 4. If we put that all together, you're going to have technically then you've got another chorus. You could play exactly the same with just the static left hand, or if you wanted to, you could put in, go between the 2 notes for the last chorus, I think. And then for the last phrase, you could just leave it down to just the blocks, right? So if I give you the very final chorus, you've got, then go to the block chords D and A and E, B and F sharp, and then finish on an F sharp and a D and an A. That's the plan. I'm going to play you it from "and I tend to close my eyes" to the end. I know this has been a lot of information in this tutorial. After that, I'm going to do one video of a full playthrough for you guys. Maybe once with the voice, once without the voice. Here we go, from "and I." Great. Right guys, I'm going to do you one more video with a full playthrough, once without the voice, maybe once with the voice, but I'll cut the repeated verse out because that'll just take forever. And I hope if there's anything you need clarification on, just drop me a comment in the box below and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!